Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Indian kefir. First, you'll need fresh milk, preferably whole milk and active kefir grains. Make sure all your jars and utensils are thoroughly clean to prevent contamination. The ideal fermentation temperature is around 20 to 24 degrees Celsius, which is typical room temperature. This process is quite simple and yields a delicious, probiotic-rich drink. To begin fermentation, gently place your kefir grains into a clean glass jar. Pour about 1 cup of milk per 1 tablespoon of grains over them. Cover the jar loosely with a cloth or lid to allow air circulation while keeping out contaminants. Let it sit at room temperature for 18 to 24 hours. You'll notice the milk thickening and possibly separating into curds and whey. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to harvest. Give the jar a gentle stir to mix the thickened kefir. Place a fine mesh strainer over a clean bowl or jar and pour the entire mixture through it. The liquid kefir will pass through, and the grains will remain in the strainer. You can gently shake or stir the grains to help the kefir drain completely. Your fresh kefir is now ready. Your freshly made kefir can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For your next batch, simply place the harvested kefir grains into fresh milk and repeat the process. If you need a break from making kefir, store the grains in a small amount of milk in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Remember, active kefir grains should not be frozen, as this can damage them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.